So let me introduce you to BankDash. BankDash is one of my pet projects that showcases a hypothetical bank overview, bank account overview. It is purely in the front end, so there is no backend functionality and state that changes that can be demonstrated. However, it demonstrates my skills in the front end, where I used React and all the usual CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, and ChartJS for the charts. It was inspired by a free UI kit I found on figma.com, which has detailed pages in Figma. And here the user has the option to view their expenses, watch over their transactions. Here somewhere they can have send a quick transaction to their friends. More overviews over their investments, their credit cards, their loans, and hypothetical services that the bank provides, and some of their settings. The app can also be viewed on mobile. Here's an example, let's say on iPhone Pro Max. And as you can see, it is still looking good on mobile. So that was my short introductions. Thank you for watching.